Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have honor to HardReset and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on the three dots on the right corner in it settings, and there we have password manager selection, where we have access to our password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Facebook account. We can click there. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and in it we can copy our email, our username by this first icon or our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and there you can change something in your passwords, username or no. After you change something, remember to press save to save it. In this part you can share your passwords to someone, or you can delete all your smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete passwords. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.